Today's small group is called Same Sound Sort. For this activity, you will need a variety of objects with some that start with the same sound and something to put the objects in, like a basket or a box or a paper bag. You're going to explain to your child that they're going to sort something, which means to put them in groups. And you're going to group them by their name. Some names are going to start with the same sound. So for example, baby, bottle, barrette, balloon, book, those all start with the B sound. So your child would take out the objects and put them in one pile if they start with the B sound, and in another pile if they don't start with the B sound. Another way you can do this is to talk about a poem. For example, Wee Willie Winkie. So Wee Willie Winkie all start with the W sound. So try and get your child to think about those same sounds. Or Peter Piper picked. Okay, again, each word starts with the same sound to get them to understand the same sound. Okay. Then once they understand the same sound, you could pull two objects out of the basket or box or paper bag, whichever you have, and ask them to name the item. So for example, you have a balloon and a cookie. Ask your child, does balloon and cookie start with the same sound? No, they're different sounds. Okay, then maybe you keep the balloon and you grab another object, maybe a bottle. So balloon and bottle, do those start with the same sound? Yes, they do start with the same sound. So you could continue doing this. If your child already understands same sounds, another way you could do the activity is find objects that start with two different sounds. For example, B and S. Okay, so have objects in the container, whatever you're using, some that start with the B sound, some that start with a S sound. Have your child take them out one by one and tell you what they are and put them in the right category. Is it the B sound or is it the S sound? Okay, this is very good for phonemic awareness, for when they start reading. It's a very important skill to be able to identify the same sounds. Okay, so this is a simple activity that you can do with your child. It doesn't require a lot of materials, just some things that are around your house and a little bit of your time. And if you want to further extend the activity, you can have the child write. If your child is at that level, you can have your child write the words, just how they sound. Because the first step into learning to write is writing the sound that they hear. And they're going to misspell it, and that's perfectly okay. So let them try to sound it out, as we call it. But that's for your more advanced learner. Maybe they're getting ready to go to kindergarten. So I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, you can email me or call me. I'm here. And as always, I would love to see videos of your children doing activities.